In this guide, you'll learn how to create a demo trading account on FXNX. Let's get started. Tap Accounts at the bottom of your screen to see your wallet and trading accounts. Tap Create New Account, then choose Demo Account to trade with virtual funds. Select NX1 MT5 Demo with a $100,000 balance. Leverage is preset to 1 to 500. Tap Next. Review your account settings, account type, leverage, and platform. When everything looks good, tap Create Account. Your demo account is ready. Make sure to save your login ID and passwords. You won't see them again. And that's it. You've completed all the steps. If you need any help, reach out via live chat on portal.fxnx.com. Happy trading!